Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at sound wave. Sound wave is that type of wave that is produced when objects vibrate. When objects do what? Vibrate. When objects vibrate. So vibrating systems produce sound. Any object that vibrates produces sound. Sound is a form of motion conveyed through elastic medium from a vibrating body to the listener. That kind of sensation that you get because of your ear, because of your ability to hear, that is what we call sound. When somebody talks, you hear because there is vibration of air. Sound travels through a medium. Sound cannot travel through a vacuum. There has to be a medium that conveys the energy of sound, that makes it possible for people to hear. So sound can travel through solid, through liquid, or through a gas. There has to be a medium present for sound to travel. Now we say that sound wave is a mechanical wave which originates from vibrating of particles in liquid, solid, or gas. The human ear can dictate waves at frequency ranging from 20 to 20,000 Hz. So for sound to be visible, to be audible to the ear of human being, it has to be moving at the frequency, or it has to be at the frequency of 20 to 20,000 Hz. And this is known as audible frequency, 20 to 20,000. Beyond this frequency, if you're having anything more than 20,000, you call it ultrasonic wave or sound. While below 20, we call it infrasonic sound. And both of them are not good for the ear. Whether it's ultrasonic or infrasonic, it's not good for the ear. So we need sound to be between the range of 20 to 20,000 Hz for human ear to take it comfortably. Transmission of sound wave. Sound cannot pass through vacuum, but it is transmitted by solid, liquid, or gas particles. Therefore, it requires a medium. Sound requires a medium for it to be transmitted. It cannot travel through vacuum. It has to travel through either solid, liquid, or gas. Speed of sound is solid, liquid, and gas. We find out that the speed of sound in solid is the fastest, and the slowest is for gas. So velocity of sound is highest in solids. Due to this difference between that of solid, liquid, and gas is actually due to the different molecular structures and density. So you see that speed of sound in solid is very high, followed by that of liquid, and then that of gas. And this is the expression for velocity or speed of sound. Very, very important. Sound is a form of motion conveyed through an elastic medium from a vibrating body to a listener. It is that form of energy or wave that causes the sensation of hearing sound. When you hit a metal solid, you hear sound. When you drop something inside water or any liquid, you also hear sound. Or when liquid is moving, you also get the sound. When you talk, the air in your mouth vibrates, you get sound. So you need a medium for sound to be conveyed, and this medium can be solid, liquid, or gas. Sound does not travel through vacuum. The audible range of frequency for sound for human ear is between 20 and 20,000 Hz. Anything more than 20,000 Hz is ultrasonic and is not good for the ear. Anything below 20 Hz is infrasonic and is not also good for the ear. The speed of light is biggest or highest in solid and lowest in gases. That is the summary of today's class. In subsequent classes, we are going to be looking at echo and we are going to be solving several problems. Thank you. God bless you. Hit the subscribe button so that you'll be seeing our videos as they drop. Thank you. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section.